Hello guys, my name is Bob. In this video, we are going to try to solve the integration of x over square root x squared plus 1 dx, not by using the trigo-substitution, but we are going to solve it using the trigo-substitution. The first step, we will let x be equals to tangent theta, and we differentiate x with respect to theta. This gives us secant square theta. Multiplying both sides by d theta, we will get dx is equals to secant square theta d theta. Right? So straight away we can pretty much substitute the x as theta. So now we will have dx being secant square theta d theta, and then my x being tangent theta. So what do we have down here is this is equivalent to the integral of tangent theta over square root of tangent square theta plus 1, and then my dx is actually secant square theta d theta. So based on the trigonometry identity, we know that tangent square theta plus 1 is equals to secant square theta. So my denominator can just be rewritten as square root of secant square theta. And secant square theta d theta. So the square root of secant square theta is just secant theta. And then when we do a cancellation, we will finally get the integral of tangent theta secant theta d theta. Alright, and integral of tangent theta secant theta d theta is just basically secant theta plus c. Alright, to find out how to perform the integration of tangent theta secant theta d theta, I've put out a link on the top right hand corner of this video, so you can refer or go to the link to find out how to perform the integration of tangent theta secant theta d theta. Alright, but before we move on to solving this problem, do help us smash the like button to defeat the YouTube algorithm. Alright, here we go. We continue with our solution. So if we were to plot, a right angle triangle, and then this is actually theta. So we know that based on this equation, tangent theta is opposite over hypotenuse. In this case, not hypotenuse but adjacent. In this case, my opposite is x, my adjacent is 1, and then my hypotenuse is x squared plus 1 squared, which the whole thing square root, or it's just x squared plus 1 square root. Alright, so basically to solve my problem, alright, we know that cosine theta is equivalent to the adjacent over hypotenuse, alright, which is equivalent to just 1 over the square root of x squared plus 1. Okay, and hence secant theta is equals to 1 over cosine theta, which is equals to the hypotenuse over the adjacent, which in other words it's equals to just x squared plus 1. So basically, to convert back into x, from theta, this is the same for secant theta, it is the same as square root of x squared plus 1 plus c. Alright, so based on this right angle triangles concept to help us to convert from theta back to x. Alright, if you guys do like this solution, please help us smash the like button so that we can fight against the YouTube algorithms and be the top in the search engine. And also, if you guys do have comments, do comments in the comment section below, especially if you have any integration problem which you'd like to solve, us to solve. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.